Hey guys, how's it going? How to send a great first message on Match. So first of all, personalize your message. Reference something specific from their profile, like a hobby or interest. This shows you that you've taken the time to read it, and encourage a conversation by asking questions that require more than a yes or no answer. For example, what's the best place you've traveled to and why? And use humor or a playful tone if it fits your personality. A light-hearted comment can make the conversation enjoyable. And be yourself and express a genuine interest in getting to know them. And then skip hey or hi there. Start with something engaging to capture attention. Hi, name, and then I noticed that you love hiking. What's your favorite trail? I'm always looking for a new place to explore. Remember, the goal is to spark a conversation and create a connection. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.